Hi, I'm Pete, and this is an Amazon unboxing. That's right, Amazon. Amazon Canada, to be exact. This box arrived really fast. I don't know if it's because I signed up for Prime or what, but I think it only took like 4 days to get here, which is phenomenal. Anyway, and the box, it looks... They were in a hurry when they taped it up, that's for sure. This is what I got. Anyway, so I'm gonna try and unbox this thing. I might have to change the camera position after I get it open. But anyway, well, I'll do my best. And there's some more than just a puzzle in there, but I thought it'd be fun just to see what I got here on video. So yeah, I checked the tracking and it said delivered, and I'm like, and I went outside and there it was sitting on my deck. So don't know. Yeah, that's the way these things go, I guess. Okay, so that's the opening. I don't know if I'm gonna need the knife anymore. I'm gonna put this away. And okay, so there we go. Okay, so this is what we got. So I got a bunch of stuff for Rosie, which is a fish. And well, this is interesting. Yeah, Rosie's our office beta fish, and so I got her a new pump because the old one's starting to wear out. And then the pump has its own stuff, filters and media and stuff like that. Oh, I got some of these. Well, I'll show you what I got anyway once I get everything out. All right, well that's it. That's the whole thing. And then there's the puzzle. Okay, so there's the puzzle. Box is empty. Oh boy, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Oh boy. All right. Hey, that actually went better than I expected. Okay, so all right, the show and tell. This is a really good adjustable what is it, filter for the fish, some sort of filter for the fish, more filter for the fish. Okay, so the fish is well taken care of now. And I got these cable ties, reusable cable ties, and it's just actually, no, you can't actually see them in the shot here, but I got all these wires hanging around little video studio here, so I got some reusable cable ties. All right, well, now that we have the puzzle out, let's zoom in and take a closer look. All right, we're a little closer, get a better view. So you see what I got here. This is a Perplexus, and let's just get this open. I guess I need the knife again. It's kind of interesting that it comes in a, it's got a box, but it comes in a bag. That's kind of a strange thing. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe that's just the way they ship, something like that. So I really like these rolling ball puzzles or dexterity puzzles, Perplexus. I've got a few of them. One of my Facebook friends posted a picture of his collection recently, and one that I hadn't seen before was this. So there we go. This is called the Perplexus Revolution Runner. So and it's from Spin Master. It's motorized, so that's going to be interesting. And yeah, so that's what I got now. Okay, so what's it say here? Okay, well, I see it says 9+, and what's interesting is this is, oh, okay, no, I thought it was a sticker, but I think that's just a piece of tape around it. Okay, so 9+, so that you got to be 9 or older. And then also available, and it gives you all of these other ones. Wait a second, level up and keep the ball rolling with Perplexus Epic. Okay, so there is the Epic. When I see that, I see the colors look different. I'm pretty sure I have the Epic, but different colors. Okay, so what else they got here? Oh, okay, so this tells the whole story about it. Perplexus, Revolution Runner. It's motorized. Mind-bending revolution is in your hands. Revolution Runner will test your timing and skills as you navigate through the perpetually moving motorized maze. Can you stay on track to master the moving obstacles and reach the center? Okay, and they spell center in the American way. And then, wow, a whole whack of different languages. Wow, this is, I'm going to just hold this up so you might recognize a few of these languages. That's really quite impressive. So many different languages. So this is like worldwide distribution. Yeah, look at all these warnings. Okay, the English warning is choking hazard, small parts and small balls. Okay, and then the standard 0 to 3, no babies, which makes sense. If you give this to a baby, they'll eat those little pieces in no time. Okay, wow. Okay, and then it kind of shows 4 challenging speeds. Okay. Start the revolution. Dodge the chasm of doom. Seriously? Alright, I like this already. Race to the center to win. And then motorized. Okay, well that's okay. I think they've made that very clear. Wow, Spin Master. Okay, they give spinmaster.com and also perplexus.net over here. So, and then it says retain this information for future reference. Yeah, I'm going to keep this box. All right, that's very funny. Okay, well this looks really cool. Oh wait, now I was wondering when they were going to tell me I need 3 AA batteries. According to this, 3 AA batteries. So I might have to get those batteries. All right, well now let's see how I'm going to open this. Okay. Okay, see now this knife seems a little over the top, but it was right for the box. Okay. All right, that didn't seem to do anything. Okay. Yeah. So there are quite a few of these rolling. I was trying to call them rolling ball puzzles or mazes or something. One of my online friends said maybe it should be dexterity puzzles, which actually makes a certain amount of sense, I guess. Oh, I see an instruction manual. I don't really know. I don't want to sort of go in through the front there because I might damage something. Don't really. Okay, well this is already. I'm getting a puzzle workout here. Okay, that doesn't look like it really needs to be open. Alright, I'm going to go back here. Oh, look at that. I just wasn't trying hard enough. Okay, I'm going to put the knife away again. Okay. And there we go. Well, that makes sense. Okay, so this part of the box is done. This is the part I'm supposed to keep. Some instructions here. Oh, look at that. Okay, so they give me all the places I can call if... Customer care. Well, that's kind of nice. UK, Ireland. Wow, they are everywhere. Oh, wait. I don't see Canada there anywhere. Oh, North America. Okay. Of course we get lumped in with everyone else in North America. There you go. All right, so it gives me the number I need to call. Very good. Well, I don't think I really need that. And a pretty big instruction manual. Wow. Okay. Okay, some instructions. Whoa, tips. Okay. Okay, that's not in English. Okay, so I have this feeling that I'm only going to need this sheet right here. So this is one sheet, which is in English and French, either which of us I could read. And then I don't think I need any of these other ones. No, definitely not that. Okay, these are getting harder and harder to read as I go through them. Okay, definitely don't. Okay, I'm going to assume I only need that one sheet, so I'll just throw the rest of them away. Whoop. Okay, and now I gotta get this on here. Whoa. Okay, now I don't want anything to fall out here, but I don't know how to. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Very good. That they probably talk about this in the instructions that I'm ignoring. Like that. All right, there we go. Wow. Okay. And I probably don't really need these parts. They're probably part of the packing. All right. Wow. Okay, so I got to read these instructions. Oh, before you play, replace the included demonstration batteries. Oh, there's demonstration batteries in here already. Okay. Okay, start space. Oh, this is great. This is really, really neat. I'm going to just see how I go about changing the batteries then. All right, back with fresh batteries and a screwdriver because it needs a screwdriver. Okay, I'll just put the batteries away here. And let's see, was it on? Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, that's the speed, I guess. Okay, very good. So, start stage, speed setting. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Okay, now I want to be careful. I don't want to, because I don't want to scratch that nice surface there. Matter of fact, maybe I can. Okay, let's just put a soft cloth down there so I don't scratch it. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, so these are the demonstration batteries. They probably work, but maybe they're not so great. Who knows? Okay. Okay, actually it's not so bad. I'll test them out a little bit later. Maybe they've still got some, because this was not in a store or anything. It was at an Amazon warehouse, so these batteries might still be okay. But now we got these ones. There we go. All right, I kind of like those batteries will last a while. They're nice and big. Okay, I'll just get rid of the soft cloth because I don't need it anymore. All right. Oh, now, so what am I doing? I gotta go to the start. Tips and tricks. Study the track before you start to help plan your moves. Nah, don't move directly from the outside ring. You'll be navigating through obstacles. Start with the low speed setting and work your way up. That's good advice. Okay, so what's this little button do? Anyway, it doesn't really show me what that demo button, demo pause button. Oh, all right. Off. All right, I'm not sure I entirely understand everything, but oh, I see. I can demo it. I see. Very good. Okay, now I'm supposed to shake the ball out to the start. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's a little ball. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little ball, and that's the start. Oh, the whole thing just kind of, all right. And then I just got to turn the thing on to 1. Well, there we go. Ooh. Oh, the ball goes with it. What the heck? Well, this is crazy. Oh, it's gonna fall. Uh-oh. So what happens now? It fell down. Oh, I see. So this is sort of like pinball, that the ball falls down and then you gotta, oh, I gotta wait till it comes around again. Oh my. Okay, well, I'm gonna get my chance here. There we go. Okay. And now I'm just kind of going around here. Oh, I don't want to go there. What? Okay. All right. I think I gotta. Oh, I see. Okay, and then this could probably. Let's try some of the other speeds. Whoa. Whoa. Yipes, that's fast. Okay, well, that's. So yeah, so the ball, if you're not fast enough, you'll go down into one of those holes. That's crazy. That's really kind of crazy. Yeah, so there's definitely a big learning curve to this. I can see this being a lot of fun. You know, I kind of got to get the hang of it. So I'm just holding the demo button down until it gets back to the start. Might be good if it had a couple of more starts or something to around, just to make it a little quicker to reset. Okay, yeah, so there it is, and then okay. So I can actually try it without it rolling, so that might be something to do. But okay, I see here. I see there's a hole there. Wow. Okay, yeah, so here I'd have to somehow get the... Yeah, there's a hole right down here, so I'd have to move it a little bit to... Whoa. Yeah, I think there's definitely a learning curve here. Wow. All right, this is going to be a lot of fun. So this is... yeah, so... Wow, that is really... All right, I'm glad I got this. This is called the Perplexus Revolution Runner. There's obviously some learning to do on it, but that is really, really neat. This is a good compliment to my Perplexus family, such as it is. All right, so that's it for my unboxing of the Perplexus Revolution Runner. A little bit of an unusual unboxing. I really like this puzzle. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I didn't get very far on it, just out of the box here. And it looks like it might have quite a bit of replay value, because even once you get good at it on the slow speed setting, you can amp up the skill level required by putting it on the higher speeds. So yeah, I'm really glad I got this. I think I'm really going to enjoy figuring this out and see how I can do with it. So as always, I appreciate your comments, your questions, your suggestions. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this kind of puzzle? And if you do like these Perplexus puzzles, which one's your favorite? Also, if you know of any puzzles that aren't Perplexus or Spin Master brand that's this style, you think I should hear about it, leave me a note in the comments. All right, well, that's it for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.